Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, as I had mentioned in a previous video, I had been perusing the Outre site, looking at some of their newest options, and there were two that I settled on. And the one I already reviewed, that was Antalya, and I did her in the cream blonde, and Miss Antalya. And so I'll put the link to that review in the description box. But today we are going to review the second one that I chose, and I cannot wait to see what she looks like on. So I'm going to introduce you to Cassian. And if those curls don't get you, I don't know what will. She just looks like a princess to me. And she comes in a variety of really gorgeous special colors. Now, are you all having as much of a problem as I am choosing a color? You know, one part of my brain says, get the 1B, because you know that's just going to work. But then there's that other side of you that says, I want to play, I want some adventure. And so it's just so hard. And you really would like to have one wig in like 4 different colors, but we can't do that. So we have her in DRFF Golden Amber. So she is an Outre lace front deluxe premium synthetic wig. She has that deeper hand-tied edges, so it looks extra natural. She is 20 inches long. She is heat resistant to 400 degrees. And she has that I think I mentioned the HD transparent lace. Well, you can't say that enough. Transparent lace is ear to ear. It's a 5-inch deep parting space. She has natural baby hairs. Yes, yes, yes. And I love the fact that in the picture, she is a side part. So our combs in the front, comb and adjustable bands in the back. We have a nice tinted lace, but look at that part, guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And not too bad on the hairline. And we do have lovely baby hairs on there. I had shared a while back a way that I tint my lace using that Sally Hansen spray tan. But another way is to use these really nice lace melt mousses that are coming out now. And I have the one from Belouise that's very nice. I have that in the medium brown. But I'm also using the Kafune product in caramel just to see if it has a better skin tone color. So with this product, you have to shake it up really well. I hope that's good enough. Okay. And then I like to take a foundation brush and just work a little bit at a time into the lace. Tints it really nicely and gradually, which is really what I like. I believe this gives a more believable color than the spray tan. The only angst I have with it is that it just takes a little while to dry. just to finish, I'm just going to take a little bit of wax on this small space here, just to lay it down just a little bit. I probably don't even need to do that because I kind of like that tousled look. And just to accentuate this part, bring this down just a little bit more. I could add some heat to it, but I really am not in the mood this morning. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Guys, these curls are really substantial. They are really giving a lot of body. These are not flimsy curls at all. And she just drapes and frames the face so nicely. What do you think? I am just so in love with these curls, and I was really iffy about the color. I didn't think I would really go for this kind of orangey blonde, but this is really very nice. And I can see taking this into summer. I think this would be a lovely, lovely summer wig. And oddly enough, I think it's a beautiful fall wig also. Well, as always, I love your feedback. Give me some feedback on her, especially if you have her. Let me know how she's worked for you. And I am very happy with her. The cap feels so nice, guys. My head measures 23 inches, and this cap is so comfortable. All right, Outre, you did that. It is, I love it. I love it. Guys, thanks so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again really soon. Got some really nice things coming. I got one from Bobbi Boss coming next time in a really beautiful color. I cannot wait. I mean, it's just totally out of my comfort zone. And speaking of that, I am going to one day challenge the short wig, my nemesis, my greatest fear. So hopefully you'll stay tuned for that. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you coming in. Love your feedback. Thank you. Please thumbs me up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. But most importantly, guys, just stay blessed.